Hello everyone, myself Prifian Nunes from Lakshmi Institute of Technology, Sarigam. I have joined NJIT Solution Limited in 2019 as iOS developer.
Hello everyone, myself Shrushti Dange from Lakshmi Institute of Technology, Sarigam. I have been working in NJIT Solutions from past 2 years as an iOS developer.
Hello everyone, I am Vaibhav Panchal, graduated from Lakshmi Institute of Technology, Sarigam.
Hello, this is Priyanka. I studied at Lakshmi Institute of Technology, Sarigam. Here at NJIT Solution Limited, I work as an Android developer from last 4 months.
Hello, this is Khemraj Anil Patil. I study from Lakshmi Institute of Technology. I am working at NJIT Solution Limited as a web developer from past 4 months.
Hello everyone, my name is Dhananjay Chauhan from Lakshmi Institute of Technology. I work at NJIT Solution Limited as an iOS developer.
Hello, my name is Rohan More from Lakshmi Institute of Technology, Sarigam. I am working as a web developer in NJIT Solutions Limited from December 2020.
Hello everyone, myself Khushbu Singh from Lakshmi Institute of Technology, Sarigam, working as an iOS developer at NJIT Solutions Limited from past 3 years.
Hello everyone, myself Parthi Patel. I am graduated from Lakshmi Institute of Technology, Sarigam. I have been working in NJIT Solutions since last 2 years.
I am Parvez Alam Kalia from Lakshmi Institute of Technology. मैं पिछले 5 साल से NJIT Solution में एज ए डेवलपर काम कर रहा हूँ.
Hello everyone, myself Shweta Pandey. I have completed my graduation from Lakshmi Institute of Computer Application. I am working in the NJ from past 2 years as a solution architect.
Hi, myself Ashmita Thodan, present employee at NJIT Solutions. I will be completing my 3 years of experience as an Android developer in July 2021.
Hi, I am Rahul Tandel from Lakshmi Institute of Technology, Sarigam, working as a solution architect in NJIT Solution Limited from last 3 years.
Hello everyone, my name is Vishal Dake. I am working in NJ from more than 5 years, currently working as a head of mobile technologies. I have completed my bachelor's from Lakshmi Institute of Technology in May 2015.
Hello everyone, my name is Surya Nirmal and I have done my Masters of Computer Application from Lakshmi Institute. Now I am working in NJ from last 5 years as solution architect.
Hello everyone, my name is Junaid Sheikh. I have done MCA from Lakshmi Institute of Computer Application. I have joined NJIT Solution from 2016. Now I am working as a CRM developer.
Hello everyone, my name is Smith Patel. I had completed my graduation from Lakshmi Institute of Technology. I am working in NJIT Solution from last 2 years as a CRM developer.
I find myself fortunate to be associated with such a company in this area where it is difficult to find good and growing software company.
Hi, I am Amit Yadav, pursued my computer science bachelor degree from Lakshmi Institute of Technology. Right now, I'm working in NJIT Solution Limited as solution architect from past 2 to 3 months. I've learned a lot in these 2 months, and this company is best suited for freshers because you're gonna get a chance to learn a lot in this positive environment, and you get a chance to drive a big wheel by just contributing your knowledge to this company.
I have a great experience working with NJ, where we have a great opportunity to do something innovative and explore your knowledge and skills.
I would recommend to join NJ as it hires freshers and also support in growth and prosper practical knowledge.
I'm having a good collaborative support from my team who not only guide me but also help me to explore my ideas. NJ adds more positive values to my life. Here at NJ, the environment is more transparent and productive.
एज अ फ्रेशर मैंने जब NJ ज्वाइन किया था तभी मेरा पर्सपेक्टिव कंपनी को लेके बिल्कुल अलग था. मुझे लगता था कि यहाँ पे सीनियर स्ट्रिक्स हो गए, काम का प्रेशराइज होगा, लेकिन नहीं, ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है. NJ का एटमॉस्फेयर बिल्कुल फ्रेंडली है.
मैंने मेरे कैरियर की शुरुआत NJIT Solution से की है, और मैं जब एज अ फ्रेशर ज्वाइन हुआ था तो मुझे कुछ आइडिया नहीं था कि कैसे वर्क होता है, कंपनी में कैसे चलता है, कुछ आइडिया नहीं था. मैंने जो कुछ सीखा है मैंने यहीं से सीखा है.
In NJ, I have joined as a fresher. So apart from mobile technologies, મેં બીજું ઘણું બધું મને શીખવા મળ્યું છે, જેવી રીતે કે ટીમમાં કેવી રીતે કામ કરવાનું, ટીમને કેવી રીતે મેનેજ કરવાનું, અને કસ્ટમર જોડે આપણે ઇન્ટરેક્શન કેવી રીતે કરી શકીએ, એ ઘણું બધું મને એવું શીખવા મળ્યું. એની સાથે સાથે મારી જે સોફ્ટ સ્કિલ છે, જેવી રીતે લીડરશિપ સ્કિલ છે, એ પણ ડેવલપ થઈ છે.
NJIT सॉल्यूशन में मेरा जो एक्सपीरियंस रहा है बहुत ही अच्छा रहा है। कुछ चीज़ में मैं अटक जाता हूँ तो साथ साथ में मेरे सीनियर्स तो रहते ही है, लेकिन साथ में मेरे सर भी रहते हैं, लिमेश सर, चैतन्य सर एंड सिद्धू सर। उसकी तो हेल्प मिल ही जाती है, लेकिन उसका जो एडवाइस मिलता है वो हमें बहुत हेल्पफुल रहता है और आगे जाके भी बहुत हमें काम आता है।
It is the only fastest growing product based IT company in Valsad.
અપાર્ટ ફ્રોમ ટેકનોલોજી તમને અહીંયા ઘણી તમને સોફ્ટ સ્કિલ પણ શીખવાડવામાં આવે છે, જેવી રીતે તમારે કસ્ટમર જોડે કેવી રીતે ઇન્ટરેક્શન કરી શકો, તમને રિયલ લાઈફ પ્રોબ્લેમને કેવી રીતે ટેકલ કરવામાં આવે છે, સપોર્ટ કેવી રીતે આપવામાં આવે છે, તમારી જે ટીમ મેનેજમેન્ટ તમે ટીમને કેવી રીતે મેનેજ કરી શકો છો એ પણ તમને શીખવાડવામાં આવે છે. તો ફ્રેશર માટે NJ ઇઝ અ બેસ્ટ સુટેડ કંપની છે.